Okay, so this is our first spring planting video. I'm so excited. So today what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna start out small. We've had some rain, so I'm just gonna start in the front yard and just filling in. I'm not gonna tear everything out and replant. I think that's kind of crazy because some of these plants are doing really well, especially my petunias. So I think what we're gonna do, this is what I bought. These are Proven Winners. I love Proven Winners. These ones are the Super Bells Lemon Slice. Look how beautiful these are with the white and the lemon color yellow. So I've got these. I've got white, a lilac, and a purple petunia, and then I've got some poppies. And I think what I'm going to do is just kind of start walking around, figuring out. We're going to cut back some plants that need to be cut back. We're going to pull some that are dead and then figure out where we're going to put what in each of the planters. I'm going to do all of the planters in the front yard first. So let's get started. First, I just wanted to go through and cut back the existing plants, pull out anything that was already dead, but just give everything a really good trim down so that it could, just have better chance of growth. It's always important to go through and just measure out with the plants you have what's going to fit, what's going to look right, kind of just get yourself an idea before you start planting. You want to make sure you have enough to begin with and that it works with your pot. You'll also see in every single pot that I'm starting to plant, you will see me put in a starter fertilizer, and it is Proven Winners starter fertilizer. I use that for all my pots, and I just sprinkle it in when I'm planting, and then I'll do another video to show you how I go in and I do all of the spray fertilizer on a weekly basis. But it's just very easy. You shake it in and then it's ready to go.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
In these driveway pots on my west side of my driveway, I'm not going to go ahead and replant anything in here. I'm just cutting back the filler plants just to give it a start. And same with these window boxes. I pulled a few, but I'm just making some cuts, just making sure existing are ready. And then we'll plant some additional plants, the petunias in here. start of growth. So if you can see, I'm just going to snip right there. So it's already got its new growth right there. I kind of go by so quick doing that, but I just wanted to show you guys that's kind of what I'm doing. It allows for the new growth. You know, we've already got quite a bit of new growth on these plants, but I want to make sure I get all the dead so that the new growth can get in there and really start growing. As I'm digging in this pot, what the heck is this? I found like 4 of them. I have no idea what this is. I did not plant that in there. Okay, so you know, when you're done planting, obviously there's some cleanup and everything, but you've got to really overhead water in the pots. They're all hooked to sprinklers or drip system, but it's important that you do an kind of over the head, settles the dirt down, and it just makes it everything kind of settle. See if you need more dirt, and all of the fertilizer to kind of kickstart and get going. today was a good day. We got a lot done in the front yard. Again, last year I took out every season. I took out all the flowers and replanted. I think if a flower is doing well in your area, just keep it in there and add to it, trim back, do whatever. So not all the pots are looking fabulous right now and completely perfect, but they're gonna grow into it, and that's the whole purpose. And also remember, gardening isn't about having a big yard or, oh, I can't garden if I'm in an apartment. You can do so many things in a balcony, in a small yard. You could go vertical with like vegetables, pots, all that kind of stuff. So don't be thinking, oh, I can't do it because I don't have the yard. You can do it anywhere. And you don't have to be an expert. I am in no means an expert, but it just gives me peace. It gives me happiness when I am outside and I see all the beautiful colors and I try things and it works and sometimes it doesn't. It's all about just experimenting and just being creative. And I think that is the main thing of gardening. So please, if you're interested, take a moment to go in and start doing some of this stuff, just to get a little bit of an outlet in for yourself. I hope I gave you some inspiration to get out there now that for some of us the weather is getting really nice. Some others, you may be in the snow, but you can dream about it and plan about it, and when the time is right, get out there and get it done. I hope this was inspirational to you. I hope that I gave you some ideas and pushed you to maybe get out there and try something new. I appreciate y'all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.